Hello, what is up everyone? My name is Sagar and welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for the 500 subscriber guys. This mark is really big for me guys, and for to subscribing my channel it really a big deal for me, and I wanted to thank to all the 500 subscriber who subscribed to my channel. So yeah guys, and I wasn't uploading any single video from the last 1.5 months. So sorry, because I was busy on my work schedule and some homework and some other stuffs, because my phone also got broken and other things, so blah blah blah, so many reasons. So today one of the subscriber just comment me that make a video to implement a native ad in Flutter. So today I am going to show you how we can implement a native ad into the Flutter apps. But as you know guys, the Flutter official plugin also mentioned that there is a no support for native ads, but the so many people had comment me that please make a video on native ad. Then I found one best Flutter native AdMob plugins which is providing us the Flutter native ads. But first of all, they are giving us a warning that these ads is right now only working on Android and not working on iOS, so you need to know that. Okay, so this plugin only going to work on Android platform. Okay, so get back to our code. Okay, so this is the simple code, simple Flutter code, and you need to import one file which name is Flutter Native AdMob. If you want to import this package, you can also import this package by Ctrl+Shift+P. So there is a one public assist ad dependency extension. If you didn't install that extension, so you need to go to this extension bar and search pub assist. Okay, hold on a second. So this is the pub spec assist. So so this extension will help you to import any package if you want to import. Okay, so get back to the pubspec.yaml. You need to enter Ctrl+Shift+P and you need to enter the pub spec assist, and let's say you want to add Flutter native AdMob. So here it is, the pub spec assist replace the Flutter native AdMob. So the pub assist just replace our plugin. Okay, so if you want to save it, just Ctrl S. So it is going to refresh it and get a package information. Okay, so get back to our code. Okay, so this is the main file. I am just going to uncomment this import file. Okay, so this is also the one of the extension I am using right now. So this is the error code, error lens. Okay, so this is the highlight the error if I am not using any file or I am missing any comment or comma. So this extension is going to help me to find out that error easiest way possible. Okay, so right now it is saying that you are not using this Flutter native app. Okay, so first of all I am going to create one variable which is static const which is add unit id is equal to the first id. So this is the our first add unit id. You need to copy this id and paste here. Okay, and second will be a final native AdMob. Okay, is equal to native AdMob. Okay, so you need to add put your native AdMob functionality into this native AdMob. Okay, so this my app is a stateful widget. Okay guys, so after that I'm going to initialize the init state. Okay, so init state. So in this init state I'm going to initialize this native AdMob variable, like native AdMob dot initialize. And in the initialize, if you just press control space, if you initialize control space, it is giving us one property which is app unit id. So you need to enter the id which is on AdMob, or you can also take any test id. So I am going to take this id. Okay, if you wanted to take this id, you can also go to my GitHub code. Okay, so I just initialize this native AdMob id. Okay, app id. Okay, so after that I am going to give write us any simple app, like I wanted to give a list view where I will show a list of images, and in the list of images I am going to show ads. Okay, so first of all I'm going to write a list view. So first is a list view. In the list view they are providing children. So in the children I am going to write first a container. Okay, so first container, the container height will be 200, and margin, I want to also mention a margin which is age insets dot insets dot from left, only insets only bottom, which will be 20. Okay, and after that I'm going to write a child which is image dot network. So I wanted to take any image. So one of the best resources if you wanted to take images, it will be a Pixel. If you don't know, the Pixel is one of the best free stock photos if you wanted to take used for any purpose. Okay, so I'm going to take any 3 or 4 images for me. Let's take one images, this one image, second will be this, third will be this, fourth and fifth. Okay, so I just need the image URL. Okay, just copy this image URL, go here and say, and just paste your URL here. Okay, and after that we also need to write a fit fit comma fit dot box fit dot cover. So the image will be look more good or more precise. You can also see that the image it is showing here, and I'm just going to copy paste this container. So I'm just going to copy this container and paste here, and also third and fourth. I wanted to 4 list of images, and after that I am going to show the ads. Okay, so second image will be this image. I'm going to copy this image and just paste here. Okay, so this will be my second image, third image will be these. Okay, and fifth will be this. Copy image, no, I don't want to save it. Okay, so this will be our 1 2 3 4 image, and after that I am going to write a native in the outside of container, which is a native AdMob banner view. So so it is showing me the parameter add unit id is requirement. Okay, so I want to write first is add unit id. So I already initialized this add unit id, so I need to just write the add unit id. Okay, So it will take this add unit ID from this. Okay, and after that I wanted to write show media. If you wanted to show media, you can also write true. Third will be style. So banner style will be dark. I want a dark style. Okay, and third will be context padding. So edge insets dot no sets from left to right to bottom. First will be 9, second will be 8.0, third will be 8.0, and also bottom will be 8.0. Okay, so just I wanted to refresh our app or restart our app. Okay,
a few moments later.
So here it is, our app, guys, and I also didn't install or write app bar. I don't want any app bar on it. Okay, so here it is, our ad, guys. And if you wanted to make any ad, let's take, I wanted to copy this whole code and paste just below this ad. Okay, so it will look like a native ad. I wanted to just restart our app. Okay, and hold on a second, it will take just couple of seconds.
A few moments later.
So here it is, our ad. It is the first image, second image, the bottom will be 20. So this white bar is a 20 size. Okay, so this is our first ad. So this is our images, and if you wanted to copy this ad, you need to just copy this native ad bar view and just paste here. You can do as many time you want. Okay, so I'm going to just restart once again to show you how you can customize your ads and as your requirement. Okay, so here it is, our list view of the images. First image, second, third, fourth. This is our first ad, this is our second ad, and this is our third ad. Okay, so this is it, guys. If you have any problem for implementing this native ad, and if you have any other problem, if you wanted to add any other ad style, please comment me any problem in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I will see you in the next video. And really thank you so much for 500 subscriber, guys, and next video is coming soon. Don't worry, guys. Okay, see you guys, bye.